Igbo kemo.
Stop this.
I'm going to take revenge for my death.
Why? Why?
My fiancé. He killed me, all because of the love of money. And I loved him. I loved him with all my heart. I only went to visit him. I never knew that he had ulterior motives. I'm getting to his place. He offered me drink as usual. I took it. Then I snapped off. He stabbed me to death. And I wanted to go take revenge. I said he's heartless. He can't take this. I want him dead. I want him dead.
See, there's no point going for revenge. Anybody in your shoes will do the same. But at this time, I don't think it's necessary. See, God in heaven is watching. And he can fight your battle for you. You going to kill him the same way he killed you will do you more harm than good. Fine, maybe nobody knows he killed you. Nobody must have found out what he did. And all of that. All you need to do is to just calm down. Just let your mind have peace. Onye ọbụla gburu onye o gburu n'ụwa. Ada na natara ụgwọ ọrụ ya mgbe eri ndụ. Ọ ga-enata ya mgbe nwụrụ. Mana ọ bụkwara eme ụgwọ ọrụ. Onye ọbụla ga-anatarịrị ụgwọ ọrụ ya. Whether alive or when the person is dead. Please, my sister. I know how you're feeling. Your heart is hot. But Biko, ejiri mi iwe, elie mozu. Just calm down. Calm down. Obogi nwa ga-alụ ọgụ a hapụ Chineke ka o ji aka ya lụọra gị ọgụ. Ị nụrụ ihe m kwuru? Biko, calm down.
What about my parents? What about them? They are heartbroken. They're wailing, they're crying. They will miss their only child. My mother can no longer conceive. No! He must die! He must die.
Please. Calm down. I want you to go back now. And I will do something later. Bring down your hand. Bring down your hand. Bring down your hand. Bring down your hand. Go back. Wickedness of men. Because of money, you take a life that does not belong to you. Who even gave you power to take a life? A life that is not yours. A life that does not belong to you. you take it off. And you are happy because you are enjoying change. How long will you enjoy that money, let me ask you? Because I've never seen anybody who I've never seen anybody that is buried with money. Empty-handedly we came, and empty-handedly we will go back to the soil. Life belongs to God. He gives and He taketh. But when you try to take what does not belong to you, you will live to regret it. If you don't suffer it today, you will suffer it tomorrow. For surely, the bed you made for people to lie is the same bed you will lie tomorrow. You don't have the power to take any life, no matter what. Let's show love. Let's appreciate people that love us so that we might be loved. Tomorrow is too far. Because they say what goes around comes around. Those that killed by the sword will also die by it. I may not see you. People might not see you. Even the walls of your room might not say a word because they saw what you did. But God in heaven is watching. There's no peace for the wicked. You might do this and get away, enjoying the money, living exotic life, enjoying all the beautiful things you have made from that money. But sooner or later, you must cry, had I known. And your own death will be so miserable. Let's learn to do good than evil. Asina agwanti. Moburu no no. Mbage egbu PC. May the peace of the Lord be with you.